Assalamu alaikum guys, hi everyone, how are you? It's me Farooq Khan, you are watching T&Tech Support. Today I'm going to show you one best application in the world. This application name is Google Maps. This Google Maps you can use when you are offline. You can use your Google Maps without Wi-Fi, without data. You can use anywhere, and it will be for 15 days. After 15 days you have to download again. And this one you can if someone send you in the WhatsApp or any social media, they send you the location, so you can use for that and very easily. And I will show you this one. Let's start my video. So guys, after coming mobile screen, then you have to open the Google Map. After coming on Google Map, just click on your account. Then here you can see there is offline maps. Then select your own map. So we have to download first before we use on offline. So I will select the map. Then here you have to select which area you want to save. Example, I make for the whole UAE. So I will just zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so like this you can do. Okay, this is enough for me because in Dubai, in UAE, anywhere I can go. So I have to click on download. Okay, so here you have to give some times for the downloading the map on your mobile, so you can use for on offline. So guys, after this already downloaded, so after downloaded you can more city you can save on your map. So I'll just write here for the rename. Example, this for offline map same. Okay, so this one already download, so I'll just go back. So guys, after download we will check it's working or not working in offline. So we'll just go, I will close the Wi-Fi, and already you can see the mobile data is already closed. So now we will check it's working or not. So I will just search, I want to go somewhere, then I will write example, I want to go Al Qusais. So here you can see it's showing, even you can see my Wi-Fi it's not working and mobile data also it's closed. So I'll just example, I want to go here Al Qusais 1, then click here. So here you can see it's showing. So if I want to go from here, I'll just click on start. So here you can see all the map is working without Wi-Fi, without internet. So here you can see the both are is closed. Okay, so guys, now you will see how to use from WhatsApp. If someone send the location, you can use from there also, it's working. So guys, after open the WhatsApp, then open who send you the location. Then here you can see this, my friend, he sent me the location. Then after open, then click on maps. Then here you can see click on direction. Then click for the start. Then here you can see this already it's open without internet, without Wi-Fi. So here you can see my Wi-Fi and data is closed, so it's still working and it will work. So guys, don't forget this only for 15 days. After 15 days you have to download again from Wi-Fi. Thank you. See you next video.